Welcome to the Systems Think, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal, whether you work projects, production, or maintenance. What's a system? Think about a car for a moment. Surely, if anything's a system, car's a system. The manufacturers design their automobiles to get you to where you'd like to go in safety and comfort. Strip the machine apart. Tires, chassis, drivetrain, engine, seating, and on you go ad infinitum, down to the very last nut, bolt, and washer. But if you neatly laid out all these subcomponents down on the floor, none of them would be able to get you in safety and comfort to where you'd like to go. The system has a quality about it that's dependent on the parts, but creates value that's unobtainable from the parts alone. Furthermore, all of the parts have to work together for the system to deliver value. Toyota may make the best gearbox and Volkswagen the best engine. Still, you could never make a car by selecting and then somehow throwing together the best components from each of the various manufacturers. For a system to be effective, the whole is always more than the sum of the parts. Those parts have to work together. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.